Dixie wants to say hi. Oh, she grabbed her toy. Oh, you meeting us in the sunspot? Dixie, you got a toy. Dixie! Dixie, toys for you.
Oh,
Put the dog.
that's baby boy. Hey, boy. Hey, baby boy.
Madam.
Hey, man.
Madam, listen to me carefully. Put the dog down. Put the dog down.
Yes, that's him. That's baby boy. That's my dog. That's baby boy.
He does that to everybody, Miss Your Honor.
Hey, boy. Hey, there. That's baby boy.
Pick him up.
That's baby boy. Come on, Mark. Come here. That's baby boy. Oh.
That's all. Take the dog home.
Parties are excused. You may step out.
Ah, là. C'est bien.
Me voy a matar, te me voy a matar. Uy. Me voy a matar. Uy.
2 weeks ago, my cat brought me a mouse, and I decided to keep it. Because I'm a good guy. I went to the store and bought everything a fucking mouse could dream of. I called it Moose and made it a home. Then Mouse Dog came after me, and yes, it's a thing. They said Moose will escape, and they were right. So I came up with a plan. Something that would include the good stuff in the cage, but the cage that would make the mouse happy. We're keeping the spaceport and a safe space because we all need it. The swing stays was the addition of a plan. I did not believe the mouse will use the wheel, but hey, I guess we're keeping the wheel. Now I have to create all of this without Mouse Dog coming for me. Please don't come. So I started by showing you my muscles. Starting by doing the pillars for the spaceport. I have an art degree, can't you see? I also made a bowl for the safe space. Then I proceeded to make the water thing and the wheel and made sure it works. So this is a lot of work, and there's gonna be a part 5. Follow me and leave a like for the rest.
The best things you'll learn today. When squirrels jump, they land like little superheroes. Grass cells look like they are smiling under a microscope. Oh my goodness, how cute! A group of bunnies is called a fruffle. Oh. Elephants produce the same chemical that we produce when we see something cute when looking at people. Oh, look at how cute! Google hired a camel to create the street view of the desert. Science suggests that when dogs dream, they dream about their owners. Even when you're sleeping, your dog's thinking about you. If you have one, LOL. Type I'm in love with and hit the center button until it makes a sentence.
Oh my god! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
Lolita es la orca más solitaria del mundo, encerrada hace 50 años en el tanque para orcas más pequeño del mundo en el Miami Sea Aquarium. Lolita fue cazada, apartada de su familia y vendida al acuario en 1970, y no tiene contacto con otra orca hace 40 años desde que su compañero de encierro perdió la vida golpeando su cabeza contra la pared del tanque. A Lolita le arrebataron completamente su libertad, pero todavía hay tiempo para devolvérsela. En la biografía vas a encontrar el link para firmar para que el Miami Sea Aquarium la traslade a un santuario costero. Si no podés firmar, ayudas muchísimo compartiendo para que alguien más sí lo haga. El sufrimiento que vivió Lolita ya no se puede revertir, pero podemos detener el que está viviendo hasta ahora. Mientras ves este video, ella está encerrada. Liberémosla.
Oh, he must be mad. Finnegan! Come Oh, he's so excited he can't move.
Was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know I love you so.
Hey, what's the sketchiest job that you've ever done? For me, it was when I answered a Craigslist ad asking for adult male models comfortable in dangerous situations. Everything in my gut told me it was a bad idea, homie, but $70 is $70. So I agreed to do it because I was broke. They put me on a Greyhound bus to Phoenix, and as soon as I got off, I knew something was up. This dude with a ponytail beard was just eyeballing me and looked me in the eyes and was like, "You'll do just fine." So they put me in a weird 70s outfit and threw me in a chair. And the next thing I knew, dog, they threw a porcupine in my lap. The guys yelled, the photographer kept yelling, "Pet him the right way, pet him front to back." I was like so freaked out, I couldn't even focus, dog. I had never modeled before. I definitely had never modeled with a porcupine before. I didn't even end up getting paid. I just took the bus straight back to LA, and that was that.
Pikachu.
I am hatching out or cutting open a shark egg. This process is not harmful to the pup, but aids it because sometimes they are not able to break out themselves. All eggs are inspected to ensure the pup is completely developed prior to cutting. 40% of sharks lay eggs. In the wild, the hatch rate is quite low. In captivity, we can monitor the eggs and provide the best possible conditions for a successful pup to hatch. The gestation period of the egg varies depending on the species of shark. The gestation can be anywhere from 30 days to several months. The yolk inside the egg provides all the nutrition the shark needs as it develops. Once the shark pup hatches, it is completely on its own.